Here's the Tiny Tach. Gonna mount the wire underneath there, glue it. Got it coming out here, and into the motor there. Little accessory port. Here's a wire, and it splits into a ground and a reed wire. Had to wrap it around multiple times to get a good reading at higher RPMs. And it has a filter here, a thick black part that filters out all the electronic noise of the motor. I got the ground mounted up here on the flywheel cover. It was very simple, took me 10 minutes, and half of that was reading the directions. Let's fire it up and get a reading for you. Let's rev it up. And then when you shut the engine off, it reads you how many hours, or in my case, minutes, it's been used.